Nokia 6 Screen Replacement Guide.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a Nylon Spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards.
Power down your Nokia 6 smartphone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The 5.5-inch Nokia 6 display assembly is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With a playing card, slice through the adhesive and carefully decouple the Nokia 6 screen from the phone. The display assembly is still connected to the Nokia phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the falling Phillips screw, securing the bracket that covers the display cable. With the bracket out of the way, detach the cable from the motherboard and free the Nokia 6 display assembly.
All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.